In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar link in your Kia Sorento. Located behind the rear wheel, let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove the lug nuts. Remove the tire. Moving to the back of the wheel, we're going to locate the sway bar. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove that knot. Before I do so, I would like to show a little trick. If you use a set of locking pliers, you're going to go ahead and grab onto the metal piece of the sway bar link. That's going to prevent the ball joint itself to move. Make sure when you do this, you hold on to the metal piece and not the boot, because it will cause damage. Take it completely out. Remove the tool. Using a 17mm socket, we're gonna go ahead and remove this knot. Now that you remove both of the nuts, you're gonna go ahead and slide it out. And here's the old one. And now we're ready to install the new one. On the bottom piece, go ahead and install it in the same hole that it came out of. Make sure it lines up and you can see the stud on the other side. And on the top, go ahead and slide it in place. Start the knot at the bottom. And do the same on the top one. Go ahead and get them snug. Do the same on the top one. To get the top one snug, I'm gonna go ahead and use a set of locking pliers, holding on the metal piece only, just because it's spinning. Make sure that you do not grab on the new boot, because it will rip it and you will have to put a new one. So go ahead and get it snug. Remove the tool. And now we're gonna go ahead and get it torqued. Now we're gonna go ahead and torque it to 87 foot-pounds. I'll do the same on the bottom one. Install the tire by lining up the holes. And start the lug nuts by hand. Get them snug. With the vehicle on the ground, we're gonna go ahead and torque our wheel to 79.6 foot-pounds. And for that, we wanna make sure we do a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.